With the name of God, I start. Welcome everyone to this video about command line basics. Our goal is to learn to use the basic commands with the command line tool in Windows. So, let's get started. There are many ways to open the command line tool. One way is to go to the Explorer navigation bar at the directory which you want to open in command line. Type CMD and hit enter. We will first work with directories. Use dir to list contents of a directory. You see 0 files because this directory is empty. The 1 dot refers to the current directory. The 2 dots indicate that this directory has a parent directory, hence you see 2 dir. Use mkdir to create a new directory. mkdir space d1 will create a directory named d1. mkdir space d2 space d3, well, you guessed it, will make 2 directories named d2 and d3. mkdir space open quotes I am a long named directory, end quotes, will make a directory with this name, while mkdir space a /b/c will create 3 nested directories, C inside B inside A. Use rmdir to remove a directory. rmdir space A will remove directory A if it is empty, and rmdir space /s space A will remove it with all its content. rmdir space /s space A space B will remove directories A and B with all their contents. Now use cls to clear the screen. To go on, create 2 directories, A and B, mkdir space A space B. Let's now use cd, change directory. cd space A will take us inside directory A. To go back to the parent directory, use cd ... cd / will take you to the root directory, M in my case. To go to directory A again, type cd cmd basics /a. cmd basics is the name of my directory, where A directory is found. Let's move on. Another way to go to a root directory is to type the driver letter with colon. Example, C:, enter. But notice if I type M:, it will take me back to the directory I came from, not to the root. Now, time to work with files. I will move to the more powerful command line tool in Windows, PowerShell. I will type PowerShell in the Explorer navigation bar of my directory, the same way I did with CMD. Use new -item or ni to create a file. ni space file1.txt will create file1.txt. Let's now write something inside file1. Type echo space open quotes hello PowerShell end quotes space greater than symbol space file1.txt. Use start to open file1.txt as follows. Type start space file1.txt. As you can see, the text is inside. Use ni to create file2.txt and file3.txt. Now use xcopy space file1.txt space file2.txt. This will copy content of file 1, the source file, to file 2, the target file. Now open file 2 with start to confirm. To delete a file, type del space file1.txt. Boom! Now file1.txt is gone. Type del space asterisk dot txt to delete all text files. Some other useful commands are task list and task kill. Use task list to list all running tasks. Notice that every task has a name and a PID, process ID. Choose a task that you want to kill, then type task kill space PID or name. Type in exit will close the command line tool. Shutdown space / will turn off your PC, and shutdown space / R will cause it to restart. Note also that you can move between previous commands by the up and down arrows. To learn more about these commands, type help and the command name. Example, help task kill will give you task kill related instructions. Alright, this is the end of our journey. Don't forget to comment, like and share, or just hit the dislike button twice. See you in another video, Cybers.